Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. Now, today we will be introducing polymorphism. So, in Java, if orange is a fruit through inheritance, you can then use orange in the same context as fruit, like this. So, apple juice and plus fruit dot squeeze. Okay, and then you have the orange object and you print out make juice fruit. So it's basically saying that since orange is a fruit, you can treat it like a fruit. So how does this work? This is because Java incorporates the object-oriented principle of polymorphism. Polymorphism, which derives from the Greek meaning of many forms, allows a child class to share the information and behavior of its parent class while also incorporating its functionality. Now, the main advantages of polymorphic programming is simplifying syntax and reducing cognitive overload for developers. These benefits are particularly helpful when we want to develop our own Java packages for other developers to import and use. For example, the built-in operator plus can be used for both doubles and ints. To the computer, the plus means something like add double for one and add int for the other. But the creators of Java and of other languages didn't want to burden us as developers recalling each individual method. Note that the reverse situation is not true. You cannot use a generic parent class instance where you use a child class instance is required. So an orange can be used as a fruit, but a fruit cannot be used as an orange. So that was introducing polymorphism, and I'm gonna end this video right here. In the next videos, we'll be practicing more about polymorphism, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.